been more than 24 hours since the incident ng grapes ingestion. This is patient Brendan. More than 24 hours na po since noong last na nakakain siya. Sunday ng gabi. At nakapag-fluid therapy, activated charcoal, supportive therapy. So we need to confirm if naapektuhan ba talaga yung kidney niya. So we will run some kidney recheck pa. Kailangan natin ma-identify if nag-elevate ba yung CREA, BUN, and other electrolytes niya also if naapektuhan. Kay Brendan. This is Tito Doc, again, reminding you na grape poisoning is bad, no? Very dangerous yan. So, mahalaga na once na may napansin, punta po kayo agad sa vet. So, bye-bye! See you next video.